Yo, what's good, YouTube? Let's get some unexpected shit on the feed. See, I've been going freestyling and checking out different people, and I know Legendary Cyphers, someone had recommended it to me earlier on. It just popped up on my YouTube. I clicked on it, kind of did quality control to see if it was dope, and they started snapping quick. This is 22 minutes. I might stop it earlier. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. But I just want to put y'all on to some street freestyling, to some, old school type shit. This is in 2016, so it's not like old school, but in terms of just sitting around ciphering with people, speaking your mind. I think it's dope. I just wanted to do something new. Let me know if this is something you fuck with or not in the comments below. Let me get some love though. Fire Squad 77 says, the words are becoming clearer, bro. That practice is paying off, man. Appreciate that. I posted 2 freestyles yesterday of my own. And then Wes Richard on the all performances reaction says, love the content, huge Harry Mack fan. It's nice to have some sort of reaction from someone when I can't see the people's reactions in quarantine. I'm a mod on Harry's Twitch. Feel free to say hi sometime. Will do, bro. Will do. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the comment. And it's crazy how people are really about the reactions. I've been getting that vibe. Like, people really dig the reactions, sometimes more so than the bars, which is interesting to me. I'm not saying everyone is that way. I'm just saying. Let's get it though. Also, just to let you guys know, original link in the video, Actualist Zoe, who's posting this, and let's get it.
Open up your eyes, start to fucking realize the government is looking like another fucking lie. And it's the reason why I say fuck the FBI. I'm moving with the speed, guaranteed, just to give you what you need. Up in the age of 23, I'm trying to make my dream turn into reality. When niggas stay mad at me, I'm getting salary. So mathematically and rapidly showing you what's reality. Niggas wanna talk about this, the lyricist to come to exist. I'm living right up in the ghetto, bitch, trying to be straight up.
First of all, that dude's fire. The voice, the flow is just fire. Not sure how off top it is, but fire nonetheless.
Yo, I got enemies, got a lot of enemies, cause they been looking at me like I've been committing felonies. I feel like Wolverine, I lost all my memories. But I'm like Eric B, cause I ain't lost the melody. You checking me, but it's all good, well you can check the beat, cause you ain't stood a chance with this rapper like the 70s.
You ain't said a chance with this rapper like the 70s. The beat is the chance rapper beat, so.
Well, it's all good, well you can check the beat, cause you ain't stood a chance with this rapper like the 70s. When they signed the contracts and sold it over to the rich ones. Already told you, go ahead and spit, son.
Yo, if you Eric B, then I must be Chuck D.
It's freestyle. I'm sorry for doubting you, whoever you are, bro.
The enemy feel like I was Flavor Flav. A flavor of some love, but it ain't no VH1. The lyricist coming through with that ill lungs.
Flavor Flav, but this ain't no VH1. Who watched the Flavor Flav fucking reality show back in the day? That shit was stupid, man.
I pop hella blunts cause I'm kinda stressed out. Imagine when you living right up in the devil playground. Niggas wanna talk about another trap house when you put a bullet right up in your motherfucking mouth.
Yo, I guarantee you they ain't hearing this. I stand with a circle on a square in the reflection of the pyramids. I swear to God, we bearing this. This whole country was built for us to fail, but we made a way. I'm here it with. Look at that, we long on the wit. Matter of fact, we got the strong back, we here, maybe present be. We are going, this is another cycle, another dimension, even though the world is on cycle.
Okay, this dude's coming in hot, and he's using the dimension, so you know he's coming off top. See, practice and freestyles has given me a new vision into what can actually be done off top, especially with what Harry Mack can do and with what other people can do and with what I can do at this point. If you have 3 to 4 years of really rapping and practicing, you can do this shit off top. It's not that crazy to believe it anymore. And these dudes, I mean, they're ciphering on the streets, so.
Even though the world is on cycle.
Rising to another dimension, and I'm thinking that this rise is feeling like my ascension. Probably climbing,
Rising to another dimension, and I'm thinking this rise is looking like my ascension.
the dimension, and I'm thinking that this rise is feeling like my ascension. Probably climbing staircase, acting like I'm in last place. Now I'm around till they give me that gas face. Screw it up, man, put that smile upside down. Cause I probably run this town, I'm like Jay-Z and Rihanna. Nah man, I'ma step into this game, I don't want commas. I just wanna call on this conga. Probably thought we dropping bombs, it's atomic. Feeling like it's Hiroshima. And no, I'm not talking about Beamer Benz, Bentley. A lot of people sent me off to this penitentiary, meaning that I'm hard with bars. No man, it's more like stars.
Yo, hold up, rewind that shit. Benz or Bentley, nah, they put me in the penitentiary because I got hard bars. You never meant to see what he's saying. Oh my god, this dude's going off.
Feeling like it's Hiroshima, and no, I'm not talking about Beamer Benz, Bentley. A lot of people sent me off to this penitentiary, meaning that I'm hard with bars. No man, it's more like stars, cause this shit flew avian. A lot of rappers deviant, that means water flow. Nah man, I'm not seeming to be with them. And why is that? Beaming me up, it's ultra light beam. Yeah, this rhyme is colder than ice cream.
Ultra Light Beam is the beat that we're hearing right now. Kanye Kanye Chance beat.
And why is that? Beaming me up, it's ultra light beam. Yeah, this rhyme is colder than ice cream. This is not a pipe dream, this is just reality. A lot of rappers ought to be battling, that's a tragedy. You can probably not face me, death naturally. Put me in that cage just like Undertaker. What a breakup. Oh wait, that is just a new flow. This is all I do and I really don't need a loophole. It's my crusade, I am like.
This is what I do though, and I don't really need a loophole.
Put me in that cage just like Undertaker. What a breakup. Oh wait, that is just a new flow. This is all I do and I really don't need a loophole. It's my crusade. I am like Bruce Wayne, Usain Bolt, and I'm feeling like make them all whole.
Got the props. He has to toss it off though, just to respect, just to respect what's going on, get other people to spit. But he was feeling it, and it's hard when you're feeling it. It's hard to stop. It's hard to stop.
He said, my name is Wise Guy, cats can't hang. When I be doing my thing, I make a rapper swing in the breeze. Taking out MCs to strike, they feel the wrath. I be bending MCs in half. See, cause my bike it turns down. See, I try to do it just to get a giggle. Coming off the head, put you in the hospital. You got little chance against me. MCs come up and
yo, check it.
Go ahead.
I love the vibes of this crowd right now. I just love everything I'm seeing here. Where can I get myself into one of these circles? let's do it, people. Obviously Corona, give me a year or two when shit's back to normal, but
I'm like constant elevation with determination, living right up in this fucking fourth generation. Young sensation, straight motivated, just to change the radio station. What you be embracing, what's your information? Verbal detonation, got you cremated. Feel an ill statement, looking like Wes Craven. Got you niggas understand I'm harder than the pavement. Walk upon, I'll drop another melody up in my illa song.
I'll drop another melody up in my illa song with the transition into the new flow. This dude's real right here. This dude and a white dude got it for me so far.
Made it, feel an ill statement, looking like Wes Craven. Got you niggas understand I'm harder than the pavement. Walk upon, I'll drop another melody up in my illa song. I'm living up in Babylon with the ghetto charm. I got the devil right up in my motherfucking arm. He talking about you better sell nothing but these bombs.
Hey yo, measure me in amperes. Matter of fact, all I do is amperes.
Measure me in amperes. Amperes is the measurement of current. And this dude, that's fucking fire, bro.
Hey yo, measure me in amperes. Matter of fact, all I do is amperes. Hold this shit down, ain't here. I got flows like Poseidon, we gon' be here.
I like this type of style. I like it a lot though. You know what? I got something Castro. Hey yo, Castro. I don't give a fuck. I'm doing everything off the top floor. I got the hot flow. I do what I got though. Oh my God, I got though.
More lies.
I don't even know why I'm just spitting off the dome. This dude's fucking me. This dude is me, bro.
Oh my God, I gotta God
More lies.
You know, I gotta fucking look round, but you can find me outside on SoundCloud, wherever you wanna look around. In your town, do my thing, self-promotion. Fuck that, I'd rather promote the good justice of the people. I stand for the equal.
Yeah.
Let's go. The government is see-through. They're amping him up too. They're giving him the energy. He's feeling it. He's rising. And you know, you don't gotta be the best one out there. You just gotta say what's on your mind. No judgment here. This fucking vibe is so fresh right here.
Every motherfucking cop is an enemy, yeah. Can't never let this damn system get to me, yeah. Plain English for y'all to understand this. I am the pharaoh, always was, I planned this. I had a job once that said my name was too black. Bullshit like that make me get a strap. Motherfuckers, all lives matter assholes.
This is 2016. Motherfuck, these all lives matter assholes? It's 2016.
Like that make me get a strap. Motherfuckers, all lives matter assholes. I'm marching for the yo lawn with a mask, yo.
No way, bro. This shit's so relevant 3-4 years later. March in front of your home with a mask, ho. Come on.
These all lives matter assholes. I'm marching for the yo lawn with a mask, yo. This verse is for the racists that I've known. For all those who hate on the Rashims and Jerome. For all those who hate on the Keishas and Tamikas. We don't give a fuck about you neither. White politician lying to you in the media.
Yo, this chick is vibing. I love her energy too. She was IG storying when the white dude was spitting. They might know each other. I don't know. They're kind of stand together, not just because they're white, but kinda. But hold up.
All those who hate on the Keishas and Tamikas.
Look at her face. Look at her face. She's in awe. Sorry, I'm pausing.
Sheens and Jerome. All those who hate on the Keishas and Tamikas. We don't give a fuck about you neither. White politician lying to you in the media. Them motherfuckers don't like you neither.
Fuck all the racists that hate niggas.
Word.
I'm in the hood like I hate niggas. 3 Ks if you ain't get it. Let them know how I can stay with it. Hey, understanding I'm going with it. This is the promise I'm going shifting. I done switched teams. That just turned Warriors. That Kevin Durant when you switch teams.
Wow.
Don't ask how the kids see. I can straight split screens. Vietnam, Business Storm. Realize I don't like y'all. I got a 007 vision. I got a golden eye to make the sky fall. Wow. It's the fact that I go on.
007 vision. I gotta make the sky fall, like the movie Skyfall. James Bond. Let's get it.
007 vision. I got a golden eye to make the sky fall.
I got the golden eye
It's
to
the
make the
fact that I
sky
go
fall.
on so I can type, bro. Understand these bras is crazy. Or you ain't like though. Here's a bar that you like though. I got balance and aim. I can survive a shootout on the tight, bro. Wow. Understand I be kicking the game nice. Realizing I stay nice. Goddamn it, I real nice. Homeboy, I do the damn thing. I see darker nights than Morgan Freeman doing house chores in the back cave.
But it's Morgan Freeman.
He's feeling himself. Hold up, watch his reaction to the Morgan Freeman line. Watch it.
Nights than Morgan Freeman doing house chores in the back cave.
Right? Flexing on him.
But is Morgan Freeman still a free man? In this world where you can't be a black man. Yeah, I heard it.
Hey, let her go. Let her go, let her go. Let her say her shit.
I'm taking that. Okay, I'm knocked off my game is true. What I was gonna say is everything's on crackdown. The last if I saw a cop chasing you, I would tell him to back down.
I respect that.
And the crazy thing is he would listen to me. My privilege to make you feel free.
I realize my privilege will help you be free. Yo, she's been real shit.
My privilege to make you feel free.
Word up. Help a brother catch a cab.
Let her spit, bro. Let her spit. Everyone else got their shot. Let her spit.
Respect the flow, and the fact how you wanna dissemble the code. I respect the love and the flow. Understand I love how you go. We gon' take a trip to Las Vegas with Majesty. I'm nice with the cars like I'm Remy LaFoe. Yeah,
I'm coming through like Poseidon, the death defying. Make y'all niggas understand I'm like the Titan. Never been lying. Why you even trying? My soul on fire, build the empire. Looking like I'm Lucius, niggas can't do this. Killing me softly like I was the Fuji.
Killing me softly like I was the Fugees. This dude's voice and delivery and confidence and fucking pain. You can hear the fucking struggle in his voice, bro.
Soul on fire, build the empire. Looking like I'm Lucius, niggas can't do this. Killing me softly like I was the Fuji. Fuji, puffing on the Lucy. Looking like I really George Clooney.
Yo, fuck around, I ain't do no gun in town. Fuck it. Doggy, I ain't here to fuck around. Let you know, yo, we gon' hold it down. You ain't know this poetry emotion. I'm Langston Hughes in a hover round. Woo! Beautiful indeed, this is life for me. Understand, homie, I'ma go to war. Fuck the police, I'll go to war. I stick your hand down your throat and play double dutch with your vocal cords.
This is Aristotle, sipping on the bottle. Making lava looking like it was Apollo. Matter of fact, take another.
Make it looking like it was Apollo.
I stick your hand down your throat and play double dutch with your vocal cords.
This is Aristotle, sipping on the bottle. Making lava looking like it was Apollo. Matter of fact, take another pic like a model. Make you niggas understand the hard truth is swallow. Or act to follow, looking kinda narrow. Niggas wanna grab a gun, I'm gripping on a sparrow. Life is so precious, niggas can't test it. Manifest it, my paragraph is sensitive.
This dude is fucking fire, bro. Who is this dude? Is this dude Actualist, whatever the title says? Actualist, is that him?
Niggas can't test it, manifest it, my paragraph is sensitive.
Henny is Poseidon, I guess I'm Hephaestus. My whole team get on, we sound like the best of. I'm banging out like Vulcan, Aphrodite love me. Whole Pantheon, we got all, they got ugly.
And you're not talking about guys that can't bang with us. I took Hercules and robbed up for Pegasus.
Get him!
This is spitting alive. I'm not
Yo,
even done.
yo, I'm 2 on point, B. I got a thesis. 2 on point with it, the way we going through mazes, huh? They ain't seen me, they cannot phase us. The labyrinth was nothing till I raised out the
I told
matrix.
y'all gotta respect the grind.
Yeah.
It's like Yu-Gi-Oh! A staring contest with Pegasus Millennium Eyes.
God damn.
All I see is thousands. All my niggas wildin'. I could do this from Cayman to White Gonzales.
Word up.
Blue eyes, white dragon. Where my Yu-Gi-Oh fans at?
And that's Millennium Sound, which means 1,000 years from now, we gon' still be around. I swear to God, we gon' put it on that. Matter of fact, we can drop back and put it all on black.
I'm like Goku with a sword.
Word up.
I'ma split the cell. We go to jail, I'ma split the cell. Fuck it though, we float, we gon' split the cell. These bars going in your skin like split a cell.
Word up.
I keep it true, tell me what you wanna do. A gorilla up in the booth, looking unproved. To make you understand, I used to be that young fool that used to cut high school. Look at me now, up in the damn street, jumping ill freestyle. The profile just to make your niggas go far. The ghetto, to make you niggas understand the riddle. Making you understand that I'm pumping cigarillo.
Get this man on Spotify. Where is this man? Where is this man, bro? I'm down to listen to it. I'm down to listen to it, bro.
Jumping ill freestyle, the profile just to make your niggas go far. The ghetto, to make you niggas understand the riddle. Making you understand that I'm pumping cigarillo.
This is Gorillas in the Mist.
Yeah.
Back and open up the Cypher. Cypher integrity. Cypher. Word up.
Yo, give a shout out to Paris Jackson. We lighting up blacks like Billie Jean.
Word.
Blue paint, fucking dope. But what I really mean, I'ma tell you what I really mean.
Word.
Billie Jean, I like the blue Power Rangers, dungarees, that's Billie Jean.
Crazy, held the police, trying to fuck with our self-esteem, yes indeed. They trying to lock us up while we living in the street. We really got no money just to motherfucking eat. Appreciate what you really have until you turn into another psychopath. Right up in the bars, scars, looking like I'm God. I praise up the sky to make you niggas see your superstar.
Hey, yo, let me really talk about it. I swear to God, I was born on the X. Danger room from day one status. And then that took it to Columbia. On some Ivy League. They could teach you how to get the money really lean. But they all is bullshit. They bullshit. My brother went first and I came up to get the pole position. And I went down. They was bugging out. They didn't put the ethics in, so they took the justice out. Yeah.
Everybody got bombed.
they ain't put the justice in, so they took the ethics out. Yo.
And everybody go hard. But everybody got monkey around and you monkey around and go dog, boy. These niggas be bitching, these niggas be losing, these niggas are stupid. These niggas, these dummies, I'm getting my money but looking real ugly. These niggas is choppers, I'm getting your mama that's watching the drama. These niggas be hating, I'm going to destroy y'all niggas is choppers. These niggas be rapping, they getting, they popping, y'all niggas be cracking. These niggas be living, these niggas be shooting, they giving, they giving. They always be hickory, running my city, but niggas be biggie. They always be talking, but never be talking, y'all niggas be itty. They itty, they bitty, I'm running my city, but niggas too milli. That milli, that illy, y'all niggas be talking, I'm going to Philly. Don't know.
Where's the eensy weeny tiny little bikini bar though? Come on.
What to say, call it around and move. Whoa. Now I gotta talk about it, call it sloppy Joe. Whoa. Now take the hat off, you know I'm just a rapper. Yeah. Word to my mother, you know we all matter. I'm just a Japanese, you know I've been the killer. H-bomb, Tokyo, they call it Godzilla.
Realizing we next, oh well, we stress. Cops come, I'm gonna zoom like PBS. I remember watching that. I be on that. I'm Ric Flair, it's a power bomb. Smackdown, raw, nigga.
I'm Andre Donor and Larry Davis. Shoot a cop up and every fucking racist. Understand I got this. Welcome to my spaceship. One punch man got that whole fucking facelift.
Hey yo, I'm Malcolm X. Shotty out the window flow. Let you know what it is, homie. This ain't simple though. Fuck that, cause I be killing them. Off the top, I be grilling them. George Foreman at a barbecue on Memorial Day, I be grilling them.
I said that nowadays, I'll bring it back. Everybody got a killer track. Get the song with a thunder hole, with a thunder hole, without a thundercat. My whole squad better lean back. Killing noise and not killing track. I kill a noise, I got a flow. I am man without the Civil War.
See how important delivery is? This dude coming in hot, and you just completely focus on him. The voice has to draw him in. The voice has to draw him in. And that's what he's doing. That's what the original, Hispanic dude, I'm assuming his race, my bad, be spitting. And this dude's super confident on the right. So
Realizing I'll be on some love shit. Other words on some slug shit. Act more make you lean back like I got big pun rich. Off the top, I'm on some love shit. Fuck that, y'all some love shit. Y'all cats be hood rats like summertime or some ugly shit.
Already told you, dog, I be wildin'. I like the frownin', I like the smilin'. I got this song locked down like Rikers Island. I might just turn you to a mutant like Strikers Island.
This beat, I'm just feeling the beat, man.
Locked down like Rikers Island. I might just turn you to a mutant like Strikers Island. Man, I might just strike the problem, I strike solutions. This guy is moving, my mind's illusion, fool. My dreams are lucid, fool. Matter of fact, you's a fool like a shot.
Yo, I got this rap locked down, but you know I can't sing. Come through all day, motherfuckers do not see me. They ain't catch the first line. I repeat it. I said I got this rap thing locked down, but I can't sing. Fuck it, don't matter. Come through, I do my thing. They be like the Lil Johnson, something like the thing, man. Damn, that's fucking Marvel. I marvel at my own style. Go ahead and kick it mad wild.
I be the AG, double NY, no lie. Let me touch the sky with rhythm on my mind. M-I-K to the dead wide. Everybody wanna get light before I get live. Get live, looking like I'm left eye, looking like a TOC, yes indeed, just to be. Everybody be thinking, homie, I'm Illinois. Magic come out the rebel with Gavin Dope. Yo, I'm puffing on the weed, guaranteed what you need. This is the reason why I spit it right up in the beat. From the BX, no, recess, no. Everybody get the letter PS, yo. BK, oh, make that nigga slow. This is the reason why I gotta jump another flow. Now I'm like Hector LaVoe, mix with Del, give the phone, let them know every time you spit up in this microphone. If they wanna be rapping, understand, I got the Peter hook when I never land. If they wanna be rapping, I gotta live life. Batman, Superman, without the kryptonite.
Hold up, I missed something. Let's get it.
If they wanna be rapping, understand, I got the Peter hook when I never land.
I got the Peter put when I never land.
If they wanna be rapping, understand, I got the Peter hook when I never land. If they want
Oh, Peter Hook when I never land. Peter Pan. Yo, that shit flew over my head too. Holy fuck.
If they wanna be rapping, understand, I got the Peter hook when I never land. If they wanna be rapping, I gotta live life. Batman, Superman, without the kryptonite. Superman, and I'm looking like I'm Bruce Wayne with my ill came through this shit all day. Up in my bad cave when I build out the race. Nigga, you wanna stand up on my ill ass brain. I said me.
I'm not one of the same. If you're feeling the pain, making it done, making it rain, bring it back, get the track, turn on whatever, I'm making a stack. Put that track when I make the flow, and you know we got the dough.
Core lyricism when I give a matter of fact, I'm feeling like I was looking like television. The way that I be gifted with the wisdom, this is the reason why they tryna lock me right up in this Delhi prison.
I don't even know it, even on a mission, but everybody gotta wake up to pay attention, and everybody thinking I'm so alive, but everybody talking whatever like 4-5, maybe 4-4, but hand me to get the dough.
Coming with that incredible raw. Baby girl, you know I'm right up in your damn store. It's the reason why they can't really do no more.
I've been a rookie, been a vet man. Everybody beast more niggas before the X-Man. I don't wanna know, then I've been a G. Precious with the fucking bone appetit.
Philosophy,
Precious with the fucking flow, bone appetit. Yo, this duo right here, get them on a song. Just freestyle that shit.
I've been a rookie, been a vet man. Everybody beast more niggas before the X-Man. I don't wanna know, then I've been a G. Precious with the fucking bone appetit.
philosophy, economically, logically. I put it on the beat so I can rock this shit atrocity.
No, it wasn't for the gunplay. I could do this shit all day. Probably didn't drop it on the runway. Tell 'em what the sun say. Hey yo, that's why the flow is raw like Vince McMahon right after a Sunday.
Whoa. I'm saying I'm getting better, whatever, and I'm really clever. I'm rapping incredible, goddamn, fuck Beretta. I'm like a V for Vendetta. I'm housing niggas looking like I was another shelter. Soldier.
Anybody get it, who really get it, you got it. So everybody be rocking, everybody be popping, but everybody got city. Bad boy, no biggie, but everybody been pity. Pity, Betty, been itty.
If anybody can get it, I guess I'm going to
wait a minute.
I'm feeling like I am never gonna get past.
The fucking energy, that's what I feel, bro. This beat is bringing everyone up a level.
If anybody can get it, I guess I'm going to
wait a
I'm
minute.
feeling like I am never gonna get past. Feeling like whiplash, probably gonna knock your head, and I'm feeling like I am hot and I'm fresh and I'm hot to death. Get it, hot to death, manifest, we manifest. I'm bang niggas' chest, looking like in Bangladesh. I'm like Malcolm X in the damn project. I'm full of stress, puffing on a little bit of cigarette.
Now everybody talking whatever, I had a breaker. F5 tunes on pictures like Undertaker. But everybody thinking whatever, I got fame. Cyphher fire, the fire, and I got the cane.
Fire it got Cain, feeling like it's not a Cain, more like Cain and Abel. You can say this doesn't matter cause we tear the ground up. Earthquake probably make you shake, make your house shake, make it crumble. Castles gon' tumble. I will like run you, run the jewels like Killer Mike, but I'm ill on the mic.
Oh, run the jewels, I kill a mic and bars.
Earthquake probably make you shake, make your house shake, make it crumble. Castles gon' tumble. I will like run you, run the jewels like Killer Mike, but I'm ill on the mic. I kill it tonight. A lot of people feeling the hype. We feeling alright. It's legendary. We rock like sedimentary, never sedentary.
Stop it. Stop it. We legendary like sedimentary. Oh my god, bro. Also, Killer Mike is the rapper on Run the Jewels, for anyone who's not aware of that bar that I caught earlier.
The hype, we feeling alright, it's legendary. We rock like sedimentary, never sedentary. A lot of people.
We rock like sedimentary rock. Geology people. And what is he saying after?
Feeling alright, it's legendary. We rock like sedimentary, never sedentary. A lot of people ready, but it's elementary. Like Sherlock, tell it to Watson. A lot of people ready, I'm not corny like Hobson.
I can tell you bring the hope, homie. He's a perfect example. No matter your skin color, you gotta be dope, homie.
Word.
Understand, man, we giving the hugs. You can tell by the way, man, he's spreading the love. You gotta understand the way we don't care. So they better prepare. Man, that's what happens, so they better beware. Matter of fact, they gotta better be scared. This is how it goes, so go ahead and spit it, cause I gotta be fair.
Gotta be fair, a lot of fear said it's all around me. Said that they surround me, hold up, gotta switch it in my town. See, it was a small town, but it's not like we going to the mall. Now there's bigger things. See, I had bigger dreams, and it wasn't to get stuck in that same past. Like recovering from that nicotine addiction. Listen to the diction, a lot of people wishing that I was just switching. I cannot do that, key in the ignition. Bring another root rap, it is just my vision. Supervision, how I see into the future. Wishing that it's not pollution. See, we just killing.
He doesn't know when to stop either. That's my thing. I never. He's fucking fire. I'm not saying I'm at his level. What I am saying is that he doesn't know how to end a bar and toss it back, because he's just focusing on the flow instead of the couplets. Shouts out Star Strategy. So he can't end it. He doesn't know when to end it. He's spitting fire. He just has to toss it off.
How I see into the future, wishing that it's not pollution. See, we just killing, making a killing. Give me 25 to life. Nah, man, because I'm the Cypher. The Cypher is me. We run this hip hop. A lot of people ready hit
North Carolina, and that's your best side. Well, I'm from California, rapping on that west side. Understand, I got higher intelligence. Yes, understand that's California, cause I'm Mexican. Understand the way that I let them go. They just mad that I'm bringing it back like when they ain't robbed it straight from Mexico. You gotta understand they loving it. That means I beat a cop up. That's capital punishment. Once again, so go ahead and spit it, get us off the head like it was ISIS. I'm in this trifling.
Open up the Cypher, open up the Cypher, open up the Cypher, man.
And cause I know you straight lightning.
These vibes, everyone's just inclusive, spreading love, spitting bars on the streets. It's, bro.
See, I'm a sick one. You know I'm half Puerto Rican actually, so I'm full with the blood of Big Pun. In fact, I said earlier I wasn't rapping, but they can't.
But that's because you my name. Are you Puerto Rican? That's cool. That's how we know we come in different flavors.
That's how we know we come in different flavors.
Are you Puerto Rican? That's cool. That's how we know we come in different flavors. This is all later. Jedi knife to swing knife like lightsabers. Go ahead and spit it. Understand it's ridiculous. They just mad the kid coming through cause I am the wickedest. Now I'm sicker than syphilis. They just mad I could be the king right on top of the pyramids.
Top of the pyramid, you said it is ridiculous. How they gon' feel when I tell them my name is Nicholas? Saint Nicholas, cause I'm feeling like Santa. This is not my design, it has never been Panda. Looking for answers.
This is not my design, it had never been Panda? Never been Panda?
It is ridiculous how they gon' feel when I tell them my name is Nicholas. Saint Nicholas, cause I'm feeling like Santa. This is not my design, it has never been Panda. Looking for answers, see this rapping with cancer. We talking about the double XL Cypher. Nah man, I like the night up. It's like a strike of a match or a lighter. Hold up, it's like Rikers dropping bars. Cops is stopping in their cars. They're probably gon' be popping hard. And I'm not really about that. I just want peace in the streets and probably in the Middle East. It's S-double-E to the N-I-C-K. A lot of people checking these Nikes. I caught on East Bay. Y'all like eBay. You can probably see me looking for that option. When I hop and we get it poppin'.
Shout out to the homie, man. You going insane. Yeah. It wasn't stopping, now we rapping, making it rain. Yeah. Understand, this is how I go, cause I'm the fella. Man, where's my Rihanna so she could cover one umbrellas? But then again, I can't understand, man, they loving it. Once again, man, this is what hip-hop is. We ain't judging, kid. This is how it goes. Once again, we get it hyper. If y'all don't know what this is, it's legendary Cypher.
Talk about it, live about it, I got a joint. The next stop on her stop is Hunts Point. Living me, living about it, I start living. I get the slice, gobble gobble like Thanksgiving. If you think about it, live about it, I've been strong. I'm hitting now, hitting chest like King Kong.
I used to live in the Bronx back when we were small. Take the 2 train up there to Eden Wall. But anyway, I'ma open the Cypher up. When I grab the mic, I light it up. But see, I grab this mic.
Hey, yo,
the policy, sit my challenge free. I could do it over, show me how my balance scheme, my balance stream. I got talents that seem a bit bigger than me, but I come in like sweet cream or hot milk. I be heating it up like a barista. I did that for 8 months, but shit, man, I'd rather eat pizza. I said, hasta la vista, now I live my dream. I got a dope-ass job in hip-hop education.
Son.
Son, the elevation is one here because I'm one person that saw my life wasn't working, so I put the hard work in, and now I grow up, so I'm not gonna be a jerkin.
See, she needs more flow. She needs more flow. She's killing it though.
Of other people trying to be a loser, I've been moving around a little bit tighter, kinda looser when my light comes up and you see the way the truth starts. If you down when I move around and my tooth hurts because I gotta get a root canal, but I don't wanna do it because insurance is banal. Shit, man, who else wanna take it? I'll be making it. Like the baby bear's porridge, perfect when I'm taking it. See the way I spin it when I spin it. See, I come in like a fire hose, spinning like a spigot.
Yo, put your hands up.
Spinning like a spigot? Let's get it.
Yeah,
When I spit it, see, I come in like a fire hose, spinning like a spigot.
Yo, put your hands up in the goddamn air. Wave it like you really, really just don't care. Put your hands right up in this air. Wave it like you really just don't care. Beware, now you messing with the ill bear. The lyrical MC with that death in his stare. I'm looking like I really never gave a fuck. I'm living right up in the slum, dropping ill rum. Making you understand about this ill type man. I make it more alive, looking like a summer jam. So give me the microphone when I mess with your dome. I'm like Al Capone when I mess with your dome.
Yo, 22 minutes. I got through that shit because I could not stop listening. 35 minutes on the video. I don't give a fuck. This shit was fire. And I'm gonna catch some more of these. Let me know what y'all think. This was crazy, bro. This was crazy. That's why I always say Harry Mack is the best to have shit on the screen. I don't know if he's the best ever, because this shit exists. And these are only a few people. I don't know. Freestyling is the vibe. Peace.